Hey, welcome to channel. I'm Prashant Singh and you're watching Tech A to Z. Today I'll review this one-click WM1 wireless mouse which I bought 1.5 years ago from Amazon at 239 rupees, and I gave you the unboxing at the time when I bought it. So I'm using since then. Well, not really, but I did use it for some time, then I stopped. And if you are seeking for a quick answer for your buying choices, that you should buy it or not, well, just don't buy it unless you want to buy a bad product, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, design is not ergonomical. I get that it's meant to take minimal space and it does that, but it's the least comfortable mouse I've ever used, especially if you have large hands. It really becomes hard to use. Listen, I won't stress this review, it's just unusable, and not only design wise but for the technical reasons too. It's not accurate at all. When you put cursor at a point, it's not stable at all. I mean, cursor often keeps moving in a way it does when you usually shake your mouse. It happened several times when I went to click on something and at last moment cursor just moved on its own and for no reason at all, and I ended up clicking something else. Now I do a lot of editing, and that's why I bought it, so I can have a mouse for my laptop to edit photos when I'm traveling, because it's hard to move sliders and adjust the curves with your laptop's trackpad, and it turned out to be complete garbage for this purpose. And I don't even remember how many times I pointed my cursor at one slider, and by the time I clicked it was completely a different one. Now for doing text stuff like word processing, it works fine because you do most things there with your keyboard anyway, but I'll still not recommend it. You can buy wireless mice in the same range which are exponentially better. I mean, same range, I mean 450 rupees range. Actually, I bought one already. In a few days I'll give you the review of that. Now for the sake of review, I need to give you all the information. So as expected, it was average build quality, but it also makes it very lightweight too. It takes two AAA batteries which last for months on moderate use. Battery compartment also has a space to put USB dongle. It never had any problems with connectivity. It's plug and play system, and at least that worked flawlessly. You get usual right click, left click, middle click on the wheel, and of course wheel for the scrolling. I never had any problems with buttons. It also has a dedicated DPI button. You can choose between 3 DPI settings: 800, 1200 and 600 DPI. I mean, it's kind of usable on mouse pad and wooden surfaces, as I told you, for word processing stuff, all that, but even on paper surfaces like newspaper and stuff, it's just unusable. And if you're someone like me who sometimes have only your jeans as a mouse pad, it's just hopeless thing to try. And well, that was it. There's nothing else to it. Just don't buy it. It's not worth anything, and I think now most of the time it's out of stock because people probably found out about it and they just don't buy it. So if you want to check it out, I'll give you the links in the description. You can go there, check it out yourself. And thanks for sticking till now. If you are still here, please press like or dislike button. Tell me if whether you like this video or not. You can watch my other videos. There'll be 2 videos on the screen here. You can watch one of them, or you can go on the channel and watch my other videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll highly recommend you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. So I really hope we'll meet in next video. Till then, best of luck.